Good evening, friends. We are back again with one more session on Learned Polity through MCQ. This is the 16th part in which we are going to talk about constitutional and non-constitutional bodies. So, guys, without any further delay, let us start. Coming to the first question, guys, we have which of the following is a constitutional body? So, if I talk about constitutional bodies, they have an explicit mention in the Constitution of India. So here we know, guys, Niti Aayog is not a constitutional body, National Developmental Council or Central Vigilance Commission. However, the Finance Commission of India is actually a constitutional body mentioned under Article 280 of the Indian Constitution. So the correct option will be option B. Correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have the Finance Commission is constituted under which article? I just said that, guys. The Finance Commission is constituted under Article 280 of the Indian Constitution. So, the correct option will be Article 280. So, moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by. So, guys, he is the officer that audits the accounts of the government of India, and he is being appointed by the President of India, mentioned under Article 148 of the Indian Constitution. Okay, Comptroller and Auditor General, that is being appointed by the President of India. So the correct option will be option C. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the Election Commission of India derives its authority from or under which article the Election Commission of India has been mentioned. So guys, it is Article 324 that talks about the Election Commission of India. Article 324. So the correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the Union Public Service Commission is mentioned under which part of the Indian Constitution? So guys, the Union Public Service Commission is mentioned under Part 14 of the Indian Constitution, that is Article 315 to 323. Okay, Article 315 to 323. So Part 14 mentions about the UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have the chairman of the UPSC can be removed by the Prime Minister, by the Chief Justice, by the President on grounds as specified, or by the Parliament directly. So guys, the chairperson of the UPSC is actually being appointed by the President and can be removed by the President on various grounds specified. Okay, so the correct option will be option C. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have which body audits the accounts of the union and state governments? So guys, as we have just mentioned that the CAG under Article 148 of the Indian Constitution, okay, he is the person that audits the account of the union and the state government. So option C will be the correct option. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the Attorney General of India is appointed under which article? So guys, Attorney General is appointed under Article 76. Now, Attorney General is the highest law officer of the country mentioned under Article 76 of the Indian Constitution. So option A will be the correct option. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities is appointed under which article? So guys, we all know that it is mentioned under Article 350B of the Indian Constitution, Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities. So this is also nothing but a constitutional body. Constitutional body. So Article 350B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the Finance Commission is constituted after every. So, guys, after every 5 years, the Finance Commission is constituted. Okay, so the option C will be the correct option. So, moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the Election Commission conducts elections too. So, remember, guys, the Election Commission of India is actually the main organization that conducts most of the elections in India. Not all, but most. Okay. the elections for the local bodies such as Panchayati Raj, municipalities, etc. are not conducted by Election Commission. Parliament and state legislature. Remember, Parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and state legislature, these are conducted by the Election Commission of India. Okay, Parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, State Legislative Assembly and State Legislative Council. Okay, so guys, option C will be the correct option. Moving towards the next question, we have the CAG holds the office for a term of. So guys, as far as the office term of the CAG is concerned, he can hold office 6 years or until the age of 65, whichever is earlier. Okay, so suppose he's joining at 58 years or 56 years. So 56 plus 6, 62 years he can serve max. Okay, so 6 years is being completed. Otherwise, if he is joining at 62, okay, even if his 6 years is not complete, he will attain the maximum age limit of 65 and then he will have to leave the office. So 6 years or 65 years, whichever is earlier. So the correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have the UPSC submits its annual report to the President of India. Okay, to the President of India. So the correct option will be option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have which of the following is not a constitutional body? So not a constitutional body. We know, guys, UPSC is a constitutional body. Finance Commission, Election Commission, they have explicit mention in the Constitution making them a constitutional body. However, Niti Aayog itself is not a constitutional body. Okay, so the correct option will be option C. Okay, moving towards the next question, guys, we have the removal of the CAG is similar to the removal of Prime Minister, President, Judge of Supreme Court or Attorney General. So the correct option will be option C, that is the Judge of Supreme Court. Okay, the removal of the Comptroller and Auditor General. Option C will be the correct option. So coming to the next question, guys, the number of the members of the Election Commission is determined by, so guys, it shall be determined by the President of India. So option C is the correct option. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the Finance Commission give recommendation regarding. So guys, we are talking about the function of the Finance Commission. We are talking regarding the function of the Finance Commission. So conducts of elections, no. Recruitment of civil servants, so that is being done by UPSC. Judicial appointments, no. However, distribution of tax revenues between the union and the states. So this will be the correct option, option B. Okay, so question number 17 will have the correct option as option B. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have the Attorney General, who is the highest law officer of the country, has the right to vote in Parliament, no. Remove judges, no. Conduct elections. However, he has the right to speak and participate in the Parliament. However, he doesn't enjoy voting rights. So without voting rights will be the correct option. Option B will be the correct option. So moving towards the next question, guys, we have the report of CAG is submitted to the, so guys, it is submitted to the President who lays it before the Parliament. So it is submitted to the President who lays it before the Parliament. Moving towards the next question, guys, we have here the Election Commission is responsible for conducting elections of the. So guys, we have talked about that it conducts elections of Union Parliament, State Parliament. Along with that, it also conducts elections of President and Vice President, not Prime Minister, not Chief Justice of India, or neither Cabinet Ministers, however, the President and the Vice President. Okay, so this is the task of the Election Commission of India as well. So guys, this was the 16th part and we talked about the constitutional bodies. If you wish to learn more, stay connected with Edufy.